You do this every day, and your esophagus silently suffers. I'm your food pipe, a 25-centimeter tube, connecting your throat to your stomach. Every bite and sip you take passes through me. Usually, I'm quiet, but today I need to speak up for your own good. I have 3 layers of muscles. When you eat, these layers work together, like a precise conveyor belt. In just a few seconds, food reaches your stomach safely, even if you drink upside down. Handler IT. But despite looking strong, I'm actually very fragile. My lining is extremely sensitive. Hot drinks or food above 65 degrees Celsius can burn me instantly. Even a bite of raw pork turns white as I handle it. Repeated exposure doesn't hurt immediately, but over time, during repairs can start to mutate. Now, let's talk about acid reflux. There's a natural valve at the top of my stomach that keeps acid down. But if you overeat, lie down right after meals, or snack late at night, this valve gets fatigued. Acid comes back up, corroding my lining. You feel the burn. That's me asking for help. If it happens often, long-term damage can build up and cells may mutate while repairing. So next time you eat, slow down. Let your food cool a little. Don't overfill yourself. Being patient with your meals is the kindest treatment for me. Remember, I work silently, but your choices affect me every day. If this makes sense to you, share it with someone you care about. A little awareness goes a long way, and together, we'll stay safe and healthy.